As you can see, we finished the garage, which is something I did not record because I'd already recorded the Tando Beach House Shake going up on the main house. That was something I had been putting off for a long time, but I knocked it out. I didn't video it. Sorry guys, a lot on my plate. Just know that it went well. But what I do need to do is I need to organize this mess of a garage that I currently have. So one of the things that I've had for a long time is my toolbox. I've had it for a really, really long time. And I'm gonna kind of design everything around it. Well, there's something that I fell in love with and I'm gonna put in this shop, and this shop is gonna be completely transformed by it. But everybody has got a garage organization system, and I happen to find one that I really like, and you can find it at Sam's Club. You can find it on Amazon. I think Sam's has got the best price going, so that's where I'm gonna go to get my stuff. And it's all built around this little guy right here. And you can see right now it is a mess. I got my extension cords all over it. But this little guy, let me turn this around so you can see it. Seville Classics Ultra HD. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you're gonna see Seville Classics table, and it's got a nice maple hard top on it. I'm gonna have another Classics table over here. I'm gonna stick with, I believe it is the granite color. It's that silverish gray color. So anyway, what you're gonna see is a lot of cleanup, and then I'm gonna start to build each section. So we're gonna build I think I'm gonna go with the adjustable tables from Seville Classics. I'm gonna go with a what I call an island toolbox. It's got that hard beach top on it. It's all on wheels, so it's all mobile. I'm gonna be able to move it around. But I'm thrilled about this. This is exciting. But for now, I've got to get organized. So I'm going stir crazy. I still have stuff to do in the main house. Little things. But I got to knock this out because I got to get organized. I got to get all my stuff stored away. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so it looks like the last thing I have to do is add the doors to it and the shelves, and I'll be done. I know I've been time-lapsing everything. Y'all can, I'm sure you can find somebody else that's gonna do an unboxing and a step-by-step assembly. I'm not doing that. But anyway, so far so good. This is a pretty nice cabinet. I'm happy with it. Let's get the doors on, the shelves in, and call it a day. Okay, so we got one more of those to build. I'm not going to show it because I think that's just kind of redundant. So we are gonna build the table next. Actually gonna build 2 tables. I'm only gonna show you one, but here we go. Okay, so Jan and I have been working hard on this, and I just wanted to give you, we're gonna stop for the day, but we got this table in. It allows, I don't know if you remember that big jumble of cords that was on top of that rolling cart. I said that was the inspiration for the entire build. That's the Seville Classics cabinet that I already had. So this is an adjustable table, and we raised it up so we could put that under there. It gives a great workspace that utilizes the underneath. We've got my original toolbox, and then in the corner here we have the 36-inch rolling cabinet from Seville Classics Ultra HD, and another table. Over here will be another cabinet that will go there, and then across in this land of mess that's over here will be the rolling tool bench. It looks a lot like this tabletop from the Seville Classics adjustable table, but it's got all your drawers and stuff in it. So I'm gonna have plenty of storage in here, high quality stuff, exactly the way I want it. Tomorrow I'll build the other cabinet, and I'll start working on that rolling cart, so it's gonna be a busy day. Good morning guys. It is a new day, and we got the second cabinet put in place. I told you I wasn't going to show you that because it's just redundant, but we are getting organized. Everything is a hot mess in here, so we've got a lot of stuff that needs to be put away, but this is about garage organization. So the next thing we are going to jump on is this workbench right here. We got a little bit of a glare on the camera. I'm kind of out of space here. I'm kind of cramped because I got things spread out everywhere. So what I wanted to show you guys was basically it is a 2-box purchase here. It's a 2-box kit. So it is extremely heavy. So make sure you have somebody or you're able to handle the weight on it. We're gonna knock this out real quick. This box has already been opened and laid out, so we'll get rid of that. You're gonna see me open box 2, and then we're gonna start assembling. Get started on building the drawers, and it's a pretty neat way that they've done it. They actually give you a flat panel that has been punched, lineal punched. So what you do is you take that and you bend it up, which I think is a pretty ingenious idea. Bend the ends up, and then you kind of screw it together all one piece, so you don't have a loose piece bolted together. So anyway, I thought that was pretty smart. So I'm gonna get to doing attaching this, and I've got probably 10 more just like it. Okay, so we have finished the workbench. Now, I love it. I think it's well built. And I don't mean that because I built it. I mean, it is very well planned out. The instructions are perfect, even if you decide not to use them like I did. And I had to do a couple things. I had to backtrack. But, so, the instructions are easy. They came with these nice work mats. These are kind of like tool drawer lining so that your tools don't shift around. So I'll be putting those in a little bit. The garage is still a mess, but I had to get this workbench done so I could get all these little things in its place and get it organized. We're going to roll it in place. I've got hangers from our rigid tools that you'll get to see. I've got a retractable extension cord that'll hang from the ceiling. We'll do that in the near future here. Getting organized is going to be my next plan. So hang in there because we got a lot more to do.